Hello friends. So in the last video, we saw how in the directives, how we can bind uh, attributes like class, like, or some other attribute to a host, right? So this is how we did host binding, and this is the attribute which we bind, right, to the host, which is app form. So we can in directives we can also listen to the events of the host. So let's see how we can do that. So we have the host element, right? And we want to listen to the event. So what can be the event? Like host, listener, and events can be anything like mouse over, mouse uh, leave, on focus. So if you want to have a look what all events can be there, uh, here we have some angular events, right? Blur, change, key down, key press, key up, mouse, enter, leave, right? So these can be the events, mouse events. So today we will do mouse over and mouse leave. So if I use mouse over event, then same way we will have to write a function. And let's do the same thing. I mean, we will add a bottom line in this as well. Dot add bottom line equal to, and similar way on leave, we will remove the bottom line. And make this false. Okay. So if you see on the screen, so whenever we, so this is the event, this is the element app form, this is the app form, and whenever we put a mouse over, it highlights, right? And whenever we remove, it removes the bottom line, right? So this is one of the functionality. Like, I mean, you can add a listener to the event listener kind of to a, to your element, host element. Okay. So let's try one more host listener. This time, what we will do. So in the we will try to add a host listener on this input field. Right? So let's go to the code and change this to on focus and this on blur. So it will listen to the focus event, and when that appears, it will add a bottom line. And when it is blur, then it will remove the bottom line. Okay. And we have added this directive on the app form. Now we will add to the individual input element. So here we will add it, this directive, and then we can test it. Okay. So I'll add a focus. Yep. So you can see, like, on focus, this bottom line has been added. Right? And if I remove the focus, it goes back. So this is how you can use host listener uh, in directive to implement any logic, right? Any UI logic. So that's all for now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.